What is up, guys? It's your boy Gavin. And you know Gavin likes to make videos. And what my friend said on his video, get that man some subscribers out there, yo. All them YouTubers out there, and you will give no person subscribers. Please give him some subscribers. Like he said, he only has 26. And I have 15. So you better give me some subscribers. Nathan needs some subscribers, guys. Please subscribe to his channel. Please. Please. And mine, because I only have 15. He has 26. Okay, enough with the subscriber talk. Roman Reigns versus arch enemy, excuse me. His arch enemy. Hey. Styles and AJ Styles dropped. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns still stays on. Roman Reigns is hurt in the face though. Roman Reigns sitting there. Now Roman Reigns wants revenge, but the ref stops him. Well, Dolph Ziggler is a special guest referee. Stop! Roman Reigns with his power, taking out the ref and getting to AJ Styles and clotheslining him. And the ref zigzagging Roman and zigzagging AJ. Roman doesn't care about that zigzag. Roman's ready for this match. Now Roman wants him to pay for his mistake that he did. AJ Styles getting to his corner. The referee is over there. I'm gonna be the referee for that. I'm sorry if I keep doing that. I have allergies. And the match is on. Roman Reigns taking out explosive frustration on the AJ Styles. Clothesline. And knocking him out of the ring. Roman Reigns doing here and going here and flying right out of the ring. But he's still in the ring. And he's doing it again. But he jumps over. But AJ Styles caught him in midair. He throws him right back in the ring. And he kicks him. Allergies. For the cover. 1, 2. Why did Roman Reigns kick me out? Roman Reigns. He just now is picking up Roman Reigns. And a knee to the face of Roman Reigns. For the cover. AJ Styles is cheating himself. 1, but the ref still counts. 1, 2, but AJ Styles kicked out. Roman Reigns kicked out. And now running. What is he doing? He has him on his shoulder. He has him on one of his shoulders, and he's running to the post and lets his head go. And now, Roman Reigns sitting in the ring. Sitting on the edge of the ring. AJ Styles going on the top ropes. AJ Styles taking advantage of this match. AJ Styles on the top ropes. Putting his knees down. Putting his foot there. Is it going to hit Roman in his chest? And he does. Roman Reigns coughing. And then AJ Styles throwing him. AJ Styles looking for a figure 4. Roman Reigns getting up slow. And he turns around. AJ Styles with the figure 4. Looking for his finisher. Is he gonna hit it? Is the finisher gonna hit? Styles clash. It hits for the cover on AJ Styles. To Roman Reigns. 1, 2, Reigns kicking out. Roman Reigns is rolling. He's laying on the ropes. Laying on the ropes. And AJ Styles taking a punches. Drop kick. Drop kick. Oh, Roman Reigns laying on the ropes. When your figures be pinching you, it hurts. That's why I'm doing that. And now AJ Styles punching him in his mouth. Roman Reigns block that shot. Uppercuts him. Roman Reigns get frustrated. Clothesline. Another clothesline. Miss. Tried to punch him, miss. So Bullet drop. Reigns in the corner. Put AJ Styles in the middle. And now Superman! Get up, I beg you, get up! And a spear! A spear! Roman Reigns spearing! Hey, Jay Styles! For the cover. 1, 2, but AJ Styles kicking out, and now Roman Reigns cannot believe this. Roman Reigns can't believe it. Roman Reigns going mega goes line. Roman Reigns doing these moves. Roman Reigns thinking on the top ropes. Legs are. Oh, but he changes his legs back together with a face. The face of the AJ Styles. And made his head turn. Roman Reigns, while his face is turning, his Superman punch him while he was not looking. And AJ Styles' head turns back for the cover. And AJ Styles is asleep. 1. And here's your winner. Roman Reigns. Spear. What a spear. Spear. Roman Reigns. Reigns is the champion. But Dolph Ziggler coming and talking smack. Now it's talking. Now they're talking. You get out there. I watched your match. But you have to watch my match. Watch your own match. God, Jet just got roasted. Oh, gosh. Think you're tough, huh? Roman Reigns, boy. Yeah, I'm tough. Trying to fight me for this WWE champion. Rub it all up in your face. Just don't rub that in my face. Roman Reigns punching Dolph Ziggler sucking up that punch. Nice hit, Roman. Yeah, I can do a better one up your throat. Yeah, whatever. Just to let you know. I'm the WWE champion for a reason. And now Roman Reigns is frustrated. Roman Reigns wants to knock him out. Roman Reigns wants to knock him out, but he knew he had a terrible fight out there. He wants to punch him right in his throat and then spear him, but he knows he's tired and he needs rest. Yeah, you better bow to your knees. I don't bow to my knees. I stand up on my feet and spear a guy. Roman Reigns spearing the WWE World Champion Dolph Ziggler. No one messes with the big dog, red smirk. That. Oh, wow. Roman Reigns fighting the camera. And Roman Reigns is sitting on the camera. And will he fall? Yeah, he fell. Oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And now Dolph Ziggler getting up finally. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And like I said, please subscribe to my friend Nathan. He really needs subscribers. So please, just subscribe. And subscribe to me, please. 15 to 26. I'm trying to get to 26. Just need a couple more subscribers, guys. Y'all, please do that for me. Please and thank you. Please comment, like, and please subscribe. Please, guys. Just please.